let's take a look at this app. It's called Otherhalf AI. It's a new AI chatbot. You can take a look at it. It has 1.8 gigabytes of size, and this creates 3D characters for you. So imagine a companion that's more than just text, one that sees, hears, and responds in real time. With lifelike 3D characters expressing emotions, other halves make AI feel truly alive. So that's the app where you see this kind of not just chatting, but if you want to have 3D character, then you can just try this app. Again, it's quite large in size and seems it's eating a lot of memory. So, but let's just take a look. Either existing user or get started. And then you can see kind of anime based AI characters.
It's quiet, isn't it? Up here, the whole city.
It can slow down if you have a bit older phone, so it can slow down on it.
It's the only place I can really hear myself think, get past all the noise. Why I come here to get work done. And to indulge in bad habits, I guess. It's my spot. I wanted to show you. Are you going to keep standing there? Come sit down, let me play you something.
So you can try it for free, and then you can just see in here yearly, 3-day free trial, or weekly, $4 per week. So you can just go and upgrade in here. I don't know whether this is so there is also a completely free plan. Okay, so you can see here the design is a bit. And then you just see in here, then you see some gems which you can get in gem store, and you see your profile. You can link your account. For example, if I wanna chat, so I just chat on it and I tap to unlock, and then I need to bypass. So seems some of them are free, some of them are paid, and then you can just see how it looks like. And then you can just chat with it in this 3D form. It's still loading.
Please tell me something interesting. Tilts head with a smirk. Hey yourself, you gonna make this conversation worth my processing power? Or
so that's the idea in here. You can see that even with a kind of new iPhone, it's kind of glitchy. I mean, it's not. I think it iPhone 14 Pro Max, and yeah, it's even here. It's kind of glitchy. So the app is a good idea, but yeah, for me, it's a bit glitchy and a bit slow. And you can also see it's still kind of in beta version. But yeah, that's kind of the idea. Otherhalf AI.